Kulesi sithangami unobhala jikelele weqembu umemezele ngamakomidi azoqinisa ukusebenza nokuzinzisa iMK Party inqobe ukhetho lohulumeni bezindawo oluzayo.
The national officials have resolved to establish the following committees to strengthen the implementation of organizational improvement plans. The National Detachment Committee, national officials, conveners and coordinators of the leagues and the student movement.
Unomvalo uyiphikisile imbono ethi iMK Party eyaKwaZulu Natal kuphela.
Just over the weekend that we are approaching, we are going to visit 4 provinces. We will go to Gauteng, we will go to Mpumalanga, we will go to the Western Cape. In the Western Cape, by the way, we won a by-election. So an organization which is based in one province, how can it win by-elections in the Western Cape?
Ngesonto ledlule ubuholi beMK Party buholwa umengameli weqembu uJacob Zuma bavakashela umholi weEFF uJulius Malema esishiho eLimpopo buyobhonga emswaneni kulandela ukushona kababekazi wakhe uMematha Modlanalo Malema. Khathi ebuzwa ngokusebenzisana kweMK Party neEFF, unomvalo uphendule ngokuthi kumqoka ukuthi amaqembu abantu abampisholo abambisane.
Ourselves and the MK and the EFF, we own the same constituencies who are affected by the same socio-economic blights in our communities.
Unomvalo uphawulile nangempi yaseMiddle East lapho iMelika neIsrael behlanganyela khona iIran.
America is a bully. We know that they are a bully. Donald Trump is a bully. He's a lunatic bully. But this time he is confused because he did not expect the military response that he is getting.
NgoNhlangulana iqembu lizosingatha ingqungquthela yenqubomgomo emva kwalokho yethule umqulu wezethembiso zokhetho kulandele umbuthwano wokhetho nokunqoba ukhetho isiyathatha ngaphambi kosuku lokhetho.